Hello, this will be a quick video where I will show you how my system works. So basically I've designed a system for trading in the financial markets. I trade the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. So basically the H4 time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, is the execution time frame. Okay, so I'm taking trades in the 4-hour time frame. Let me just quickly I'm trading almost 30 plus pairs, uh, and let me show you how the system works. So now we are looking at the 4-hour chart for Aussie CAD, and as you can see it's in a downtrend. So this is our baseline. When the price moves below our baseline, it is a sell, whereas this other indicator, this tells us when the market is in consolidation and when the market is trending. So we know to stay out of the market when it's in consolidation, and as soon as the market starts trending again, we can take a trade. So this is our main indicator. This tells us that the trend has changed. So normally the trend changed somewhere here, and then there was a price went up to take all the stop losses one last time, and then it went all the way to the bottom. So what I do is I compare the 4-hour chart with the daily chart. So this is the daily chart for the same pair, and as you can see it is also in a downtrend for a very long time. So what I do is I check the 4-hour time frame for the same currency pair, and I compare it with the same time frame with the daily time frame, same pair. So this movement that you see here is actually the movement, is this movement, right? So let's switch a few more pairs and you'll get an idea. So Aussie Aussie USD. So Aussie USD, you'll see same. Let's switch to Euro CHF. Euro CHF is in consolidation but trying to go up, for example. But we will compare this with the daily time frame, Euro CHF. So you'll see the long-term time frame. Like long-term trend is down. All right, let's switch to the 4-hour time frame again. So this is a quick video. I won't go in detail too much, but let me just point out my money management system. What I do is I use an EA for trading, and what this EA does is that I usually take 2 trades, 0.5% of the risk on equity each trade. The first trade has a fixed stop loss and a fixed take profit. The second trade, which is automatically placed through the EA, will have a fixed stop loss but will have a trailing EA. So on each trade I have approximately 1% of risk, and then I'm able to I'm basically a trend trader, so I try to find the trends. So there are some pairs which give you very good trends, like for example, let's look at some other pairs. I wanted to make this as short as possible, so you see GBP JPY is on its way up on the 4-hour. So this is where I would take a trade. So this is my volume indicator at the bottom. So this tells me if the volume is going up or down. So this is where I would take my first trade, and then I would follow up with subsequent trades. But before taking a trade, I would also look at the daily chart and then see what the daily chart is saying. So daily chart, ideally we can take daily chart trades as well, but daily chart, if I take a trade on the daily chart, then the opportunities will come after several weeks. So we can't wait for that long. So we need to make some money. So 4-hour is a very good time frame to trade, whereas we get opportunities. So we can take some daily trades as well, and then we can turn those daily trades into swing trades as well. So let's look at USD CAD. So USD CAD is buy. So we would be in a buy from here. From this point onwards, we'll be in a buy, right? So we'll be in a buy. Very good buy. I already bought one. So I can take multiple buys when it comes down for correction, and then I can whenever there is a touch on my baseline, I can take another trade. Like I can add on to my winning trades. Losers, I cut short. I try to cut short because here there is an opportunity. There's a chance that there'll be some losing trades, but usually here I would not take the trade because it's still in this is not gone into buy, so it's started going into buy somewhere around here. So this is it, and I'll just see. So most of the pairs are here. USD Singapore dollar trends very well. USD Chinese yuan, again you get very good trades. And I do, I also trade the minor pairs, not just the major pairs, because major pairs give you big moves. But the problem is, if like US dollar is becoming strong against all the other currencies, then you see you're just putting all your eggs in one basket. So that's why I go for non-correlated pairs as well. And it's like minor pairs I'm trading also, so those also provide me with some cushion. So if my risk on the US dollar is like growing a little bit more, so I will cut down there, and then I will take some other non-correlated trades. Alright, I think this gives you a good understanding of how my system works. So you see the gold and silver are here. I trade in Dow Jones sometimes, but not at the moment. And then US oil is there. Okay, thank you very much for your time.